What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So the OnePlus 9 Pro cameras has been hit and miss for a lot of people. Some say that the OnePlus Pro 9 cameras are great. Some people say that they are not as great. But my biggest request on this channel so far is to do a OnePlus 9 Pro stock camera app against Gcam. Now, I've been a non-advocate of Gcam for a very long time. I've always been saying that if you want to use Gcam, buy a Pixel. But to satisfy my viewers, I am going to do a OnePlus 9 Pro stock camera app versus Gcam and let you be the judge for yourself. Let's see which one is going to be King Supreme. So in this video, I'm going to do daytime only. Unfortunately, I'm not going to do nighttime video, but I'm going to do daytime only. So let's go and see which one is King Supreme. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
The Chosen.
Alright guys, so this is the video footage here of the OnePlus 9 Pro. This is the stock camera app along with the audio. I want y'all guys to see this B-roll. This is handheld. I want y'all guys to see that. Look at the depth of field as the tree is in focus and the background is out of focus. So I want y'all guys to see that. Look at the details of the tree here, a little off green there. I want y'all guys to see that. I'm shooting this at 4K 30 frames per second. And the purpose of this video is to let y'all guys see some of the footage between the stock camera app and the Gcam. Now, I've been an advocate that Gcam is something that I don't recommend. I always say if you want Gcam, buy a Pixel. But a lot of you guys actually requested, and here it is. So this is the stock camera app, and I'm walking. I got the device in my hand and optical image stabilization on deck. All right, so let's go to a switch to Gcam. Okay, so this is Gcam right here. And one of the things I noticed right off just by hitting the record button is that you're not going to get optical image stabilization, and look like looking at the viewfinder, it's a little overblown a little bit. The highlights is overblown. Again, this is one of the things I always been mentioning is that if you want to use Gcam, buy a Pixel. Gcam just not the software for other devices, especially when it comes down to video. Video is sometimes unusable, but look like it's doing okay as far as focusing. But let's go and check out the stabilization, and I think one of the things that the device doesn't take advantage of is the stabilization. So this is Gcam, and I'm looking at it, and it looked real jumpy on screen. Maybe once I get it uploaded, whatever, it may stable out, I don't know. But me looking at the viewfinder, it looked like it doesn't take advantage of the stabilization. This is Gcam. So I hope you enjoyed the OnePlus 9 Pro stock camera app versus Gcam. Here's my thoughts. I believe some of the photos of Gcam had more detail than the stock camera app. Also, it was not that bright. Today was not a sunny day. It was very cloudy day today, so the skies was not blue. The OnePlus 9 Pro portrait shots was very good versus Gcam. Gcam had some portrait shots that was hit or miss. But as far as video, I would give the video 100% to the OnePlus 9 Pro. Now, Gcam was blowing out when it comes down to video. It doesn't take advantage of the device stabilization. Overall, I stand by my word when it comes down to Gcam. I believe that if you want Gcam on the device, go by Pixel. I believe Gcam handicaps a device, you know, when it comes down to photography and video. Gcam works great on Pixels. Doesn't work that great on other devices. You got a lot of bugginess. You got a lot of it crash a lot. Then you have some inconsistencies when it comes down to Gcam on the device. Now I will leave the app down in the description below if you want to download it and play with it yourself. But if you want to get that perfect shot, that one time you need to pull out your phone and get a very good shot, Gcam is not the answer for you. The Gcam photos was a little darker, a little more detailed versus the OnePlus 9 stock camera app. It kind of blew the highlights out a little bit, give you a little more details as far as highlights. So it all depends on how you like your photos. You know, I really did like some of the details of Gcam. Some of the Gcam, especially when you zoom in, it looks good. But for me, I just have an issue with Gcam. But I think overall, if you want to play around with Gcam, just make sure that you got a steady hand because it's not using the device stabilization. That means that if you take a shot and you got a shaky hand, you're going to get a blurry shot. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about Gcam versus the OnePlus 9 Pro. And my thing is this. If you're going to use the OnePlus 9 Pro, you bought it for the cameras, then wait for the updates from OnePlus to make the cameras better. Just slapping Gcam on the device is a band-aid. I believe that if you want to have Gcam on the device, go buy a Pixel. That's just my opinion. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.